Shah here of Bass Ads Advertising and Solutions. And now we're back with yet another video. So I'll show you all you need to know to get started with Trello in this video. Trello is one of the most user-friendly and simple to use management system. This tool is great to use if you have a very busy schedule and need to see a visual bar to see how far your job and other tasks have progressed, but it's also great for personal use. Because here's the thing, we can't rely on our brain to memorize everything that we need to do. So let's create now our account with Trello. And then, alright, so key in Trello here in the Google search bar, or you can type in trello.com directly, and then you will be directed to their sign up page. So fill up your email information here and then click on the sign up, it's free icon. As for me, since I already have an account, I will just need to log in. I will log in using my Google account. I will just type in my email address to log into Trello. And also my password. Oops, sorry for that. I mistyped my password. Okay, and there you go. So we will be directed to the Trello homepage. So we need to start. We need to create a new board by clicking this one. So you need to assign a board title, or it can be a project name or a task or an assignment or your personal to-do list. So since I do have a tailoring shop, I will rename it to my tailoring or clothing business. And then let's click on create. Okay, so here and here you can change, you have the option to change the background by selecting their uploaded photos, or you can also upload your own or change the color. So let's select one here. I like this one. I like this one. Click on it to upload, and after that, let's make it into private. But in here, you can also assign to any members of your organization. So you can basically choose whom you want to share or want to collaborate your boards with. Alright, so let's now start creating our plan or the different stages that we want to do that is related to our clothing business. So for us, we can create stages, but here in Trello, it's called a list. So let's start by our to-do list, and then doing, and then revise or redone, and then completed. So this is just for me, those stages that I want, or list that I wanted to create. You can type in anything that you want. You can rename it to idea, so it depends upon you or the project that you will do. After that, we can add a card or an item under our to-do list. So in my clothing business, I wanted to create social media accounts, I also wanted to create a website, and then I also want to post content, and I also want to study the marketing and then the production. And you can add more here as you go, as you think of any. For now, this is what I can think of for my clothing business. So under this, when you click here, you can open cart, and once you open it, there are a lot more to it that you can do with the card. You can add a more detailed description like your due date, so need to be completed in one. After that, click on save. So you can add some labels, checklists, and even attachment like a file from your computer or a link you can attach here. So let's create a checklist for our social media accounts, because we need to create Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So once done, you can tick the boxes and the progress will appear here. So let's say all are done. So it's 100% accomplished. So aside from that, you can also add label. For instance, green is for urgent, and then yellow is for meeting, and this one you need to assign it to me, so, or your other team members. So there, just to click on it and save. Alright, so here you can easily identify which one is urgent, which one needs your or the tasks that are assigned to you. You can also key in if the task under this topic is already completed. So aside from that, you can also key in can also change the cover or the picture. You can change the color as well, or you can upload your own image. So let's keep, for example, here. So the picture will appear there. So you can move so much, you can make so many things here. And the important part of this Trello or is to move this from here and to here. So in your to-do list, you can move it as long as you are doing it, and then once, if it is done, that needs revision, you can move it here, and once completed, you can put it here. So the goal of this is from here to here. So you can easily just click or select and then drag and drop. This list can also be moved like this one. So you can also move here from here to there. And that's it for this video. So again, this is Sha of Bass Ads Advertising and Solutions, and I do hope you like, share, and subscribe, and follow all of my social media accounts, which you can click in the comment section below and the description box below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.